What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm back to Dalry. You know the location and it's a super nice day today. It's like in the lower 70s. It's probably the first really nice day we've had. And here it is, like what? Spring has just began and we're already having some nice days. And I'm seeing new spring and summer themed items. We have coconut water Suave hand soap. That's new for the week. What else do we have? Ultra rich. What's the flavor? Oh, shea butter. We have aloe vera. And don't forget about these that popped up last week. The raw sugar simply hand wash is here, as well as the green tea and cucumber and aloe vera hand wash. Also brand new this week, we have this brand called Bathscriptions cocoa butter hand and body lotion. This is brand new. It's 6.8 ounces. Don't forget, we have a lot of great refills here. Gently coconut, gently lavender, milk and honey. We also have these over here. This is Crisp Clean. It's 20 ounces by Soft Soap. These popped up last week. The body scrubbers, they're charcoal infused. We have circular and we have sort of a rectangle. We also have the matching gloves. We have tons of K-Beauty. Do you want broccoli? Do you want super salad? Do you want beets? Do you want olives? Do you want tomatoes? No, you don't like any of those? Okay, well, we'll go over here and look at some more traditional flavors like orange, blueberry, cranberry, grape, fig, carrot. And then we always have the nice 3-piece set in the box as well, if you don't want to try any of those. We also have little foot masks. We have a lot of options over here. We have some other K-Beauty brands. And when I say K-Beauty, I mean beauty from Korea. In case you're unsure of what that means. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Look at this. What am I trying to be a dupe for? I wonder. Let me know down in the comments. What is this brand trying to be a dupe for? Look at this. Coming out of Cleveland, Ohio. Bathscriptions, and it's dermatologist tested. This is actually dermatologist tested and no animal testing. What is this trying to be a dupe for? I know, do you know? Look what's back. SGX NYC. We have, here's the first one. This is a leave-in heat protection lotion and primer. 6.5 ounces for all hair types. You guys know this costs a lot more everywhere else. We also have a beachy texture spray. Wind-swept waves, PC texture. Resist humidity with a flexible hold, 6.5 ounces. And we have Luminous Repair and Shine Spray, 100% showed improved shine. Showed improved? Showed improved? What? Okay. All hair types, again. We also have Midnight Blue to Black Temporary Color Foam, also by SGX NYC. And we have Purple Rain. Again, these are temporary color foams. Do we have another one down there? No, that's another Luminous. It's really nice to see those items here because they cost so much more everywhere else. I'm going to be on the lookout for a lot of name brand hair care because I know Dollar Tree is getting a nice variety of higher end name brand hair care this week. Another Blaze. Again, that's a leave-in heat protection lotion and primer. If you're going to be using a hair dryer, a curling iron, a straightener, whatever your favorite thing is to use on your hair. And then these lotions are still here from last week by the brand Yes Studio. We have pear, peony, and peach. Only one peach was purchased since last week. One peach. I guess everyone has enough lotion at home. Okay, anything else new? This is an aluminum-free deodorant, 2.5 ounces in cucumber mint. Hair soap. Love that that has been here for so many years. Just looking to see if we have any other new items. We have brands like Jergens, Dial, Soft Soap, Suave, Safeguard, Nouvelle. Those are some of the name brands. The Epsom Salt Foot Gel. Raw sugar, of course. Don't forget about the raw sugar. That's your most expensive one in here right now. And then we have Old Spice bars for men. We have body washes, Suave for men, Zest, Coast, Lucky, Power Stick, Speed Stick, and we also have Arm & Hammer. And then this has been here for a long time. The Garnier Fructis definitely costs more everywhere else. The Natural Look Liquid Cream for your hair, Low Hold, and then we have Matte and Messy Liquid Putty, which is also by Garnier, but it's a medium hold. And then this is a great deal over here. Look, you guys, we have the little Vaselines. We have Aloe Fresh. Now these are just 1.7 ounces each. We have Vitamin E. We have Baby. We have Cocoa Butter. And I think we have Original down here too. No, that's Aloe Fresh. And we have Original, my favorite. I think those cost about $3 everywhere else. You guys know what I'm down this aisle looking for. I'm on the hunt for name brand cereal with strawberry syrup here this week. Also, you guys, this is a great time to get the food coloring. We can only find these, at least for me, the story has been that we can only find these about twice a year, before Christmas and before Easter. So if you want to have some for $1.25 and not pay $4.87 at Walmart for their brand, get them here now. You get 4 vials. They work great. I love them. $1.25. Yeah, you guys, I'm not seeing any name brand cereals. I'm not seeing any cereals different than last week. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop right here. You guys have seen the Dunkaroos and all of these before. I'm gonna stop right here in between the 2 noisy vents. And thank you guys for watching. I love bringing you guys along. I'm gonna take a look and see if I can discover any other brand new items for the week here in Dollar Tree. I love bringing you guys along. I love sharing the deals and helping you guys save money. Oh my gosh, you guys, and this soup is so good. I definitely have to get more of this. Anyways, you guys, I'm out of here and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.